Okay, so I'm going to start doing a series of video of the tools I use to look professional grade. Okay, so if you're trying to do anything online where you're trying to look professional grade, there's certain tools that I use to help me look that way. And one of them I use is Photoshop. Now, in order for me to use Photoshop, I use different fonts when I'm designing posters or anything I'm doing for a client. So to get fonts that I don't have on my computer, there's one source that I personally use, and that website is called The Font. Now on this website, they got tons of fonts you can choose from in different style, different categories. It doesn't matter, they have it. So this is the website I go to find my fonts to create my designs. Now when I first go to the website, I'm greeted with all the new fonts that got uploaded recently. But if I want to dig deeper, I can choose from a certain category or style by choosing something off that top menu. And then once I browse around and I find something I like, it's pretty easy to install. All you have to do is find the font, click the download button. Now once you click the download button, it's going to end up in your download folder. That works on a Mac, Windows, Linux, it doesn't matter. Now sometimes it's a single file and sometimes it's a folder. It all depends. Sometimes the folder has multiple fonts that's in that group. So to identify the file, this is basically what it looks like. Now once you find the file, it's pretty simple to install into your system. So all you have to do is just double click on the file, then an installer is going to pop up. And then all you have to do is just do the installation. You just click the installer on whichever operating system that you're using. After the installation is complete, then you can access that font from any program that you're using. Whether it be Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Photoshop, anything that uses fonts. Now you need to read the disclaimer on these fonts because most of them are for personal use. But I'm pretty sure you can take them commercial. You probably have to contact the font creator to see what kind of legal steps you have to take to use it commercially. But like I said, this is my personal go-to website for fonts. One cool feature of the website is the fact that you can preview all the fonts based on whatever you type in the preview box. So I'm going to type in my title, Chard the Tech Guy, into the preview box and then hit submit at the end. Then once you submit it, you're going to see all the fonts transform into your title instead of the default title. And that's a good way of seeing what the font will look like with your words instead of the default words. And you can keep skipping from different category to different category, and it will keep that preview going as long as you choose a category. If you hit the home button now, you go back to the home screen, it's going to go back to default. So use that feature of the website so you can get a better feel of what it's going to look like in your design. I know a lot of novices out there are looking for things that can help them. Most people in the professional field probably already know about this website. So this is mainly for beginners and novice out there that's looking for somewhere they can get fonts to work with. So you can apply them to your design instead of using those boring fonts that comes with your computer. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you know anybody who's going into the design field and they're looking for fonts, go ahead and share this video with them. And I want to thank you for taking your time for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a good one.